As we eagerly anticipate the official announcement of Honor's highly anticipated Magic 5 and Magic 5 Pro flagship smartphones at the upcoming MWC Barcelona event, a Geekbench listing has surfaced revealing some exciting details about the non-Pro variant. According to the listing, the device in question is identified as the Honor PGT-AN00 and it is equipped with the latest and most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which promises to deliver lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking capabilities. The device also boasts an impressive 12 GB of RAM, providing ample memory for running multiple applications and demanding tasks simultaneously. In terms of performance, the Honor Magic has managed to achieve remarkable scores of 1411 single-core points and 4584 multi-core points on the Geekbench benchmarking platform. This is a clear testament to the raw processing power and efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and suggests that the Honor Magic 5 will be a true powerhouse device. In addition to the impressive hardware specifications that we already know about, the latest Geekbench listing for the Honor Magic 5 reveals that the device is running Android 13. This is a great news for fans of Android operating system, as it suggests that the new Honor flagship will be one of the first devices to offer the latest version of the popular mobile OS. Furthermore, rumors have been circulating that the Honor Magic 5 will feature a 6.8-inch OLED LTPO panel. This display is said to offer variable refresh rate up to 120Hz, 480Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10+, and brightness up to 1100 nits. It's also said to come with an advanced triple camera setup. The Honor Magic 5's previously leaked renders confirms that the phone will continue to use the center-aligned circular camera module positioned in a triangular configuration. A periscope telephoto lens is one of the sensors in the arrangement, and the module also includes an LED flash. In terms of charging speed, the non-Pro model is said to feature 66W fast charging, while the Pro model is rumored to exceed the 100W charging threshold of its predecessor. This means that the Magic 5 and 5 Pro will likely be among the fastest charging smartphones on the market, allowing you to quickly and easily recharge these devices on the go. With just a few days to go until the official launch of the Magic 5 and 5 Pro at MWC Barcelona on February 27th, tech enthusiasts and smartphone fans around the world are eagerly anticipating the unveiling of these highly anticipated flagship devices from Honor. It remains to be seen what other exciting features and capabilities the device will bring to the table, but all signs point to the fact that they will be among the most advanced and powerful smartphones available in 2023. With that said, we're at the end of this video. Thank you for watching till the very end. Peace out.